Good day, children. My name remains Uncle Josephine. Welcome to Basic 3 Mathematics. And the topic, addition of 3-digit number without regrouping. Now we are going to take addition form of expanded form. Expanded form, not just addition. We are going to use expanded form to do the addition. Now, let's use one example. Addition itself means joining two or more numbers together. Addition is joining two or more numbers together. How are we going to join two or more numbers together? Take example. When we join this thing together, we're going to place it in value, 100, tens, and units. 4, 1, 4, plus 2, 3, 2. We are going to join them together. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's join together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You write it under units. Let's go to tens. 1, 1, 2, 3. Join together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write under tens. Let's go to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's join together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is 6. All of them, what do we get? 646. Now we are going to use the same number to expand in expansion form. 414 equals 232 equals. Now in expansion form, we will expand this one and expand this one, also join them together. How do we expand? This is 414. This is 100. This is tens. This is unit. In expansion, we have 400 plus 110 plus 4 units. Second one, we have 200. Now this is 30. Under tens, 3 tens plus 2 units. Then let's join them together. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. 4 tens, 6 units. Then 4 plus 2, 600. When we look at it, they are the same, but this is expanded form. This expanded form, we have two ways of doing it. Another form of expanding it, we can expand it in this way. 414, 232 equal to, we have 400 plus, we have 10 plus 4. 200 plus 30 plus 2. Then we join them together. We get 6, we get 40, we get 600. Then let's now bring them together. This is 600. You carry 600 plus 46. This is the answer. This is expanded form. First expanded, second expanded, whichever one you know, you use it. This is 646. As you can see, this is 40, 4 tens, 6 units, 600. When you bring it together, the same thing, 646. Now, let's go to another one. Let's take another example. 232 and 155. Let's use expanded form to do this one. We are going to expand it. We can use 200 plus 30 plus 2. 100 plus 50 plus 5. This is unit, this is tens, this is 100. Join them together. This plus this, which is 2 plus 5. Join together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then when we now join them together, we get 7. Right? Here 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. Plus 200 plus 100 is 300. When we join it together, it's 387, which is 387. This is the answer in expanded form. Then another one, we are going to use another one. We have 113 plus 214. You can use it in 100, tens, and units. Many ways of solving it. Whichever one you like, you use. Then we have 113 plus 214. Addition. 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You write 7. 1, 1. Join together. 1, 2. Put your 2. 1, 1, 2. Join together. 1, 2, 3. You get your 3. Total 327. Answer. With this, I hope you can solve addition without regrouping. Then let us have our homework, which you will submit to our website. Take it, use expanded form. Expanded form method to solve this. Number 1, 5 529 plus 341. Use expanded form. Number 2, 123 plus 134. Number 3, 521 plus 459. Children, after solving it, I said use expanded form method to solve this. After solving it, submit it to our website, Den of Knowledge. Next time, we will discuss it again.